We just pulled into Casnaque Falls, and we had a mother and a cub bear swimming at the falls, and everyone was really excited to see it. This is what photo expeditions is all about, is that serendipitous moment. We came here to see the falls, and we were treated to two incredible bears swimming in the bottom of the falls. Not only is this place incredibly beautiful, but it has the wildlife as well.
My name is Diane Ring. We just keep wondering what's going to happen the next day to top the current day. It's just amazing what happens every day. We are just in awe of everything that's been happening. It's just been wonderful.